We don't copy anything. Yes.
Please, last. Again.
So what happened to that part? It came there and the eye.
It got flushed in the morning.
Thank you, Samir. That was very creative. Just let me add over here. My intention was not to know anything about that apple or the part. It was just to get your attention to whatever we're going to tell you. And our little eye has no connection with Steve Jobs' idea. Absolutely creative. We've not taken anything. There's a copyright on this. And we call ourselves the I Evolve people. I stands for the individual and evolve is you. We're helping you evolve to attain your higher self. I pass this on to my colleague who's going to tell you a little more about that.
Good morning, all friends. So we are trying to talk about, we are going to explain to you about what kind of team we have. We are highly experienced professionals who are into this emotional intelligence and have been training a lot of corporate on the varieties of the issues, and we have customized our program to deliver that. You look at the team and you will get automatically that yes, we can do this job. Thank you so much.
Objective.
Right, so after we've done the need analysis, we've come to the objective for the training would be to shift from blame frame to resource frame through emotional well-being. That would be the objective of our training. Like my colleague Karun over here just introduced us, we've got 12 years of training, we've got 12 years of experience in behavioral intervention for corporates across the industry, which includes Vodafone, Airtel, Idea, HUL, etc. So, yes. So we work with the competitors and we know how they perform, right? Okay. So now I'm going to hand over our approach to the next colleague.
So, are you going to share their marketing agenda with us?
Sorry, we work ethically.
Okay. Ethically, we'll not share it over the table. We'll just, have it over a
Everything
coffee.
is transparent.
Okay.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. All enough? Yes. Okay. Coming down to our approach. Approach is the methodology that we follow. It's called as AIMS model. A stands for ask. I stands for innovate. Then you have involve or implement, measure and sustain. So for us, training is not a one-off transaction, it's an intervention where we help you to do your need analysis and understand how it should be to how we are as in now. We do the gap analysis. The next step is innovate. Innovate is where we come up with creative ideas after the understanding your or implement. Now this is where we take care of your delivery aspect. Right from understanding the role plays, your simulations, case studies, the delivery bit. Then we have measure. Everything that cannot be measured is not valued. So this is something where we would help you to understand the effectiveness of the training program. The last bit and the most important bit is sustain. What we do is we put a framework in place, something called as the CHAMPS model, which would help you to reiterate or reinforce the learning. So everything that has been done in the training program forms a pattern and then becomes a behavior. So that was about the approach bit.
A very good afternoon to one and all here. As all my colleagues have explained most of it, now we come to the crucial part of understanding how the Bloom's taxonomy is going to enable you to move from the blame frame to the exactly. The need of the organization right now is helping every human being associated to your organization to be evolved as a person who is emotionally fit, to be able to work in a conducive environment, create a conducive environment, and help one another to reach the goals of the organization as one. We'll be following the knowledge wherein the person is going to actually understand where he stands today, where he can move forward, and how. The next thing is the application of what they'll be trained in. Once they know where they're applying it, they will analyze as to what, where, why, who, and how. Once this evaluation analysis is done, they will be able to move into a zone of creativity, which will not only enable them to create an environment conducive not only for themselves, but also for the well-being of others, the emotional well-being of others, and help them reach the goal as one, which is the need of your organization. Thank you.
Who has to? Want to scale up their emotional sensitization.
The program design is for one and all in the organization, irrespective of the levels of management they are in, since emotional well-being is a necessity for the very existence of human beings, not in the society, but also in every organization, which radiates in the personal and professional life. Thank you.